DeepSeek just slashed prices on its V4 Pro model by a whopping 75%, a move that should have been a major win for enterprise AI vendors and developers, but it's turning out to be a mixed bag. The reason is that while inference costs are plummeting, agent systems are consuming tokens at an insane rate, faster than prices are declining. This is a big deal because it means that cheaper models don't automatically translate into healthier margins for these companies. It's like they're running on a treadmill and not getting anywhere. They're saving money on one hand, but bleeding it out on the other. This 100x problem, as it's being called, is a major hurdle for the industry, and it's going to take some creative problem solving to get past it. The implications are huge, because it means that companies are going to have to rethink their entire business model if they want to stay competitive. They can't just rely on cheaper models to save the day. They need to find ways to make their systems more efficient, or risk getting left behind. It's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity for innovation, and it'll be interesting to see how the industry responds. Moving on, it looks like Warren Buffett is making a big bet against the market, with Berkshire's $397 billion portfolio looking like a hedge against an overheated market. Berkshire's move is a sign that even the biggest players are getting nervous about the state of the market, and it's a reminder that even in a world of endless optimism, there are still risks lurking beneath the surface. It's a bet that could pay off big time, or it could backfire spectacularly. Either way, it's going to be fascinating to watch. Speaking of big moves, Helsing just raised a staggering $1.8 billion, backed by heavy hitters like Goldman and Lightspeed, in a deal that's got everyone talking. This is a huge vote of confidence in Helsing's vision, and it's a sign that the VC world is still willing to put big money behind the right ideas. It's going to be interesting to see what Helsing does with all that cash. Will they use it to expand their operations, or make some strategic acquisitions? Either way, it's a deal that's going to have ripple effects throughout the industry. On a totally different note, the creator of Zig is calling out Anthropic for blowing smoke, in a feud that's getting increasingly heated. It's a reminder that even in the rarefied world of AI research, there are still plenty of strong opinions and personalities, and it's going to be fun to watch this one play out. Finally, in a story that's totally unrelated to the startup world, but still pretty cool, one traveler just spent 7 weeks traversing 13 countries and over 6,000 kilometers via Interrail, in a journey that's either the ultimate adventure or a recipe for disaster. Tune in tomorrow when we'll be diving into the latest fundraising numbers and what they mean for the future of the startup ecosystem.